Hi, let's look at this another problem. Use a table of values to estimate the value of the limit. If you have a graphing device, use it to confirm your result graphically. So just FYI, I do not have graphing device. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna estimate the limit for this function based of the values. Okay, let's just start real quick. So I'm just going to pick the closest values to 4 to find the limit for this function natural log x minus natural log of 4 divided by x minus 4. The closest values to 4 is like 3.9 or 3 point, getting closer and closer from both sides. And let's just start plugging in the values in this natural log function. Make sure you're using the ln function, not log, because they have different base, so you'll get different answers. So, okay, just plugging in the values for 3.9, we're getting 0.253178. I'm just using the up to 6 decimal places as we done previously. And for the next value, it seems to be 0.2503130. And for 3.9, it's 0.2500312. And 4.1, it seems to be 0.2469. I'm pretty sure you already guessed the answer. The limit for this function. Yep. Okay, as you can already notice, as x approaches to 4, the closest values, the limit for this function seems to be equal to 0.25, or you could also write this as 25 divided by 100, which is equal to 1 over 4. So the limit for this function as x approaches to 4 of natural log x minus natural log 4 divided by x minus 4 is equal to 1/4. I hope this helps. Thank you.